What kind of digital arsenal does it take to navigate a multi-million-dollar maritime case? I bet it's not what you're picturing. When you hear maritime lawyer, you probably imagine dusty law books and old oak-paneled courtrooms. But here in Houston, a global hub for the maritime and energy industries, things look a little different. The stakes we deal with are massive, from catastrophic injuries on offshore rigs to commercial disputes over cargo worth tens of millions. And winning these cases doesn't just happen in a courtroom anymore. It happens right here, behind these screens. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the surprising tech we use to manage it all. From AI-powered research to secure chats with clients on the high seas. We're going to walk through a day in the life, tackling real-world problems with the specific tech we use to get the job done. This is the digital toolkit that gives a modern maritime lawyer the edge. Let's get into it. My day almost always starts with an avalanche of documents. In maritime law, a single incident can generate a mountain of paperwork. Shipping manifests, vessel maintenance logs, crew certifications, email chains, surveyor reports, you name it. We had one recent case with over 50,000 pages of documents from just one ship. The old way of handling that? Teams of paralegals, weeks, sometimes months, of manually reading every single page. It was slow, expensive, and a single missed detail could sink the whole case. So how do we tackle that today? With a two-part tech punch. First, everything lives in a secure, cloud-based document system. Think of it as a smart, shared filing cabinet for the entire case. Every document is in one central, searchable place. This is a game changer since our teams are often spread out. A lawyer in Houston, an expert in Singapore, and a paralegal working from home can all look at the exact same document at the same time. But just storing the documents isn't enough. That's where the second piece of tech comes in, AI-assisted document review. We use platforms that can ingest all 50,000 of those pages and help us analyze them at incredible speed. Now, these tools don't just search for keywords. Some can even start to recognize context. I can ask it to find all reports mentioning engine failure within 48 hours of leaving port, and the system will surface potentially relevant documents. It can help us spot patterns in maintenance records or flag inconsistencies between different reports. It helps our team find that crucial needle in the haystack in a fraction of the time, so we can focus on building the case strategy. It turns an overwhelming data problem into a strategic advantage. A huge part of maritime law is talking to people who are always on the move. Our clients are seafarers on vessels, executives flying between international offices, or family members an ocean away from an incident. The challenge is, how do you securely talk about a sensitive case with a client on a container ship in the Strait of Malacca? Using standard, unencrypted email and text for highly confidential information just isn't a smart move. As attorneys, we have an ethical duty to take reasonable efforts to protect our clients' privacy. Relying on insecure channels for strategic discussions or medical records is a risk we don't need to take. This is why we use secure client portals. These are encrypted, private online hubs for each case. Instead of a messy chain of emails, we have one secure space to exchange messages, share critical documents, and post updates. After an initial call, we can send an injured seafarer a link. From there, they can upload photos of the accident scene or medical reports securely. The portal can ping them with an update, and every interaction can be streamlined right into their case file in our management system. This solves a few problems at once. It keeps our communication confidential, gives the client a clear view of their case, and creates a clean record. When your client could be anywhere in the world, these platforms are essential for doing the job right. As a case moves forward, it gets way more complex. You start with documents and messages, but then you add transcripts, reports, and deadlines. The problem used to be keeping all those moving parts organized. We're talking massive 3-ring binders and giant whiteboards. It was a physical, clumsy system. The solution is the command center of the modern law firm, the digital case management system. This software is the central nervous system for every case. It's an integrated platform that connects our documents, calendars, contacts, and case notes into a single dashboard. When a case comes in, we create a file in the system. And from that moment on, every action, document, and deadline is linked right back to it. For our practice here in Houston handling a high volume of Jones Act maritime claims, this is absolutely vital. We can track litigation deadlines automatically, so we never miss a filing date. We can link a ship's log directly to a witness's testimony in a deposition. We can build out a visual timeline of the entire case, from the incident to today. When we're getting ready for trial, the whole story is right at our fingertips. We can instantly pull up every document a witness is mentioned in. It transforms prep work from a frantic search into a calm, strategic review. Maritime law is a uniquely complex field. It's a mix of federal statutes, international treaties, and centuries of case law. A general legal search engine often doesn't go deep enough. The outcome of a case can hinge on a single ruling. Finding that smoking gun means specialized tools. This is where our research tech comes in. We use legal research platforms like LexisNexis and Westlaw that have deep collections of maritime resources. The search functions are more advanced. We can filter searches not just by a legal idea, but by a vessel's name or flag state. That specialized power is the difference. And evidence itself is changing. It's not just about paper. We now work with voyage data recorder info, the ship's black box, and GPS tracking data. One of the most powerful new tools is drone footage. If there's a dispute over the condition of a dock, we can use a drone to capture high-resolution video. It provides a powerful, objective snapshot. So, how do you present all this to a judge? We work with experts who use software to create digital accident reconstructions. They can combine logs, GPS, VDR info, and drone footage to create an animated model. We can show the exact point of impact. It takes dense technical data and makes it undeniable. So, as you can see, practicing maritime law in Houston today is a hybrid profession, a blend of traditional legal skill and modern tech. The tools we use aren't just flashy gadgets. They form an integrated system designed to solve specific, high-stakes problems. This technology isn't about replacing lawyers. It's about augmenting us. It frees us up to do what really matters, think critically, and build a strategy. In the complex world of maritime law, technology is the compass that helps us navigate the storm and bring our clients safely to shore. What part of this tech stack surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.